Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to create a pop-up effect on a video using the cutout stroke feature in CapCut. So first, just add the clips that you want to edit and then go to where you want the pop-up effect to begin. Okay, for example, in here, and then click on the clip and find the freeze frame option. Okay, freeze, and in here trim the freeze frame into 0.5 seconds like this and copy it, then make one of them as overlay. Okay, put it under the first one like this, and then click on the overlay and go to cutout and remove the background. Okay, the background has been removed. Now click on the cutout stroke and then select the solid color stroke here and choose the color that you want. So I'm going to just use the white color, and after that you can just go back, click on a check icon and add a blurred effect. So find effect, video effect, click on the lens category, then select blur. Okay, click on a check icon, trim the blur only to the freeze frame here. Now you can also add filter to make it more dramatic. Okay, I'm going to use this one, and that's it. You can also add a camera sound effect if you want, but that is optional. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye.